Good afternoon, everyone. Now we continue our English classes, and today we have to review the sea animals or sea creatures. Yes? And what are sea animals or creatures? Because they live in the beach. Where is the beach? This is the beach, but they live part of the beach, but in the sea. If you check the difference, this is sea and this is the beach. Beach is a lot of water, and in this case we have plants. And these friends live in the sea. What are these animals? These animals you check in Spanish, and I'm totally sure that you know all of them. You know their names, and if I ask you, what is it? You say in Spanish. But remember, not Spanish. We always have to use English. Why? Because if you use English, it's more easier that you learn, that you speak, and you understand this language. Then it's time that we start, and you help me to repeat each of their names. Yes, we start with this. What is it? Turtle. And in this case, we have two ways that we call this friend. The first is turtle, change the pronunciation, or tortoise. Yes? Okay, repeat. Turtle, tortoise. Yes, you have three different opportunities that you call them. The second are fish. If you say only one, fish. But if you talk more than one, are fish. Yes? Then everybody repeat. Fish. Then we have another friend. This friend is orange, and in some cases is red. It's my friend crab. Crab is in Spanish cangrejo. And why is Spanish? Because it could be, you can identify what is it. You say, what's that? If you don't know, this is crab. And it lives in the sea and near to the beach. Okay, repeat. Crab. I just say crab. The next friend is my friend that has many arms. If you hear this phrase, I don't have many arms, I only have two hands, that I take two things but no more than two. And this is my friend octopus. Yes, octopus. Okay, repeat. Octopus. And it could be, you start reading. If you check the word, it's octopus, but this is not the correct pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is octopus. Yes? Okay, repeat. Octopus. Yes? And he lives inside the sea. Then we have another friend. This friend is scared. If you go on your holidays to the sea, it could be you watch, you saw, and you are scared. Why? Because it's big, heavy, and its teeth are amazing. And you say, oh no, it could be you think that it eats, but don't worry, only if you attack. If not, no problem with our friend. And its name is shark. Yes? That you say shh, shh, shark. Okay, repeat. Shark. One more time. Shark. Shark. And it lives inside the sea. No on the beach, because check where is the beach. This part is the beach. And he lives inside the sea. Okay, repeat one more time. Shark. Shark. And then we have a little friend. It could be, you imagine, that is big, but not. Really, this friend is small. Do you know its name? No? Okay. We have its cousin. Its cousin lives in the land. And this is or do you identify? No? This is a seahorse. Seahorse. Okay, repeat. Seahorse. Seahorse. Yes? And then all of them are sea animals or sea creatures. And they live in the sea. In some cases, the human enter to the habitats. But if you do it, you have to care. Because in this place, there are big animals that they don't think that they don't do nothing. Then you care. And in this case, if you can see, here there is a crab. Here we have turtle, fish, shark. Yes? And the other beautiful species that live in the sea. Yes? And we have to check other places that they can go. And you tell me, is it possible? For example, if they live to the paths, if they go, fish, no to the paths. If they live near to the beach, yes. Which of them? Crab, and in this case, turtles. Some of them live in the lake. In this case, it could be fish, fish, fish. Is it possible that crab live in the lake? No. Octopus? No. Shark? No. Seahorse? No. And then we have other three pictures. These pictures you check in your previous activities. Yes? Do you know what is this? No? Okay. If you check, this is in the middle of the sea. And this is an island. Where is it? Island. The second, we have many of these around the place that we live. This is a mountain. Okay, repeat. Mountain. Mountain. And then we have this. These are part of this mountain. Leaves. Yes? But this is here. And then we have island, lake, beach, path. Path, road, or way. And you check previous to this. Do you know what is this? No? For example, we live in Mexico and we have a Mexico. Where is it? This is a map. And what is a map? Map is a draw about our country, about how Mexico is. This is a map. In the map, we have paths, we have beach, we have lakes, we have island, mountains, and all of them are here. And this is only the draw how is the country. This is not Mexican country, it's the world map. Yes? And in this case, you know that we have different kind of animals. And today we check our friends that live in the sea. We have wild animals, animals that live in the jungle. We have pets, animals that we have in our house. And we have sea animals or sea creatures. And in this case today we have to do two activities that are related with these parts. For example, when you go to the beach, what happened? It could be you swim, you walk, or you take sand. Where is the sand? This is the sand. Okay, let me show you the other picture. This is the sand. The sand that you take in the containers and you make castles. What is a castle? Do you know? Okay, I show you your book and you check. In this case, this is my activity book. In this book, I have castle, road, castle, lake, road, lake, castle, road, lake. Yes? Where is a castle? Castle, 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 castle. But in this case, when you go to the beach, you make sand castles. Yes? Another thing that we have to check that we can see when we go to the beach are boats. And if you can see, we have a seahorse, crab, turtles, sand, containers, car, and here we have a shark, but it's not real shark. In this case, we have to work on this book, our student book. Yes? And we have to find the differences. Do you remember what is a difference? Difference is something that is not equal. For example, in this case, my t-shirt is not equal like my pants are different. But what happened with my trainers? My trainers are equal and equal. Yes, but my t-shirt and my pants are different. And in this case, the exercise that we have to do is that you have to find the difference in picture number 1 and picture number 2. Yes, the page that we have to work today is page 60. What is number 60? 6 and 0. Do you remember or not? And you have to remember because in this case you have to practice a lot. Number 60, okay, I move across. It goes here, and this is number 60. the number, the page that we have to work. As soon as you find page number 60, you have to copy the date, remember. But now we start copying the date and the value. This is the value for this month. Today we are on Wednesday, 22nd April 2020. Our value for this month is illusion. Yes, this is the value, illusion. Remember, you have to use red color and black. In this case, teacher uses black color, but you have to use your pencil. Yes, red color and pencil. You copy on your book at the top of picture number 2. Here. Vas a copiar en esta parte. Remember, you have to write with small letters that all the date and value is in this part. Yes? Okay. We wait until you finish to copy the date. Yes? And we continue to check the differences between picture number 1 and picture number 2. Yes? Okay, I count 1 to 20, and when I finish to count 20, when I stop 20, you stop 2. Yes? Okay, I start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop. Okay, we continue. If you have this kind of pencil, please take. If not, you take out your red color. Yes? Okay, I read the instruction. Look and circle 4 differences in picture number 2. In this case, we have to look both pictures, but only in picture number 2, you have to making a circle in the difference. For example, in this case, you have to look picture number 1, you check back and back. Picture number 1, both and both. Picture number 1, C and C, boy and boy. But here is a shark, and here we doesn't have a shark. Then is it different or not? Yes, then you have to make a circle around shark, red color. Yes? Continue. Carpet, carpet. Yes? Road, but we don't have road. It means that this is the other difference. Then red color, you trace. Yes? But you trace strong, because in this case, if you say, no, teacher isn't tracing. Next. Which other? Okay, car, car. Container, container. Sun. Okay, here is not sun, it's this part. But here we have a sand that use the container to make it. Here not? Okay, making a circle. Water, but here not water. Then the difference, making a circle. And then you have to find Okay, we have to count the differences. You have to find 4 differences. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Do you do? Yes? Okay. We finished and we close our student's book. And we continue with the other book, activity book. You say, teacher, no, yes. In this case is my activity book. You have to open your book on page number 52. Yes, do you remember what is number 52? Is 5 and 3? No, this is 53. 52. This is the page in which we are working. Yes? Okay, are you ready? Okay. This is the page that we are working. Yes? Okay, you find the page. Remember, if you don't know what is the number, check what is the number that teacher writes, and you compare with the number that is at the end of the page. Yes? Okay. We start. In this case, at the end, we have to copy the date, not now, at the end. Okay. In this case, I read the instructions. Look and draw. You have to look all of the pictures, but line by line. At the end, you have to draw the correct pictures. What missing? Yes? Because if you check, we did this kind of exercises in the previous classes. For example, castle, road, castle, road, castle, road. And in this case, you have to trace. You have to follow all the dots. Yes? And then you have it. And this is a road. The second line, you have castle, castle, lake, castle, castle. What follows? If you read here, we have lake. It means that you have to draw castle, castle, lake. You have to draw this. The lake is that we have the boat. Then you draw inside the lake, you draw a boat. Yes, and that's it. Next line we have road, like, castle, road, lake. What is this? The word is castle. Castle. It could be, if you read, you say castle. No, not castle. Castle. Yes? Okay. Road, lake, castle, road, lake. What do you draw? Road? No. Lake? No. Castle? Yes. Then you have to draw a castle. Remember, you draw beautiful. You try to copy the castle that you have there. Yes? When you finish, you have to color only that you draw, not all of them. Only that you draw. Yes? Okay, you draw windows. If you remember what is the word windows. Yes? and the door. And I have my castle. Road, lake, castle. Yes? Now you color only this. At the end, you have to copy the date and the value. Yes? And in this case, that's all for today. You finish perfect your exercise. In this case, ask your parents that draw a line in which you have to copy the date. Yes? Okay? Thank you very much. That's all for today, and we continue next Friday. Yes, next Friday is the last class that we have in this way. Yes, thank you very much. See you next Friday. Bye-bye.